How to slow the growth of lawn grass. Slowing down the growth of your lawn grass will cut back on the amount of time and resources spent mowing the lawn. This will provide you with more leisure time during spring and summer months, and keep you out of the hot sun. There are techniques you can use that won't kill or create unhealthy grass that encourages pest infestations. Things you'll need: low growth grass, slow release fertilizer, chemical growth retardant. Cut back on the amount of water you apply to your grass. Unless your region is in a drought, your lawn should get plenty of water from natural rainfall. The more you water it, the faster it will grow. If you happen to be experiencing long bouts of rainfall, slow growth grass varieties will also cut down on the speed of your lawn's growth. Raise the setting on your mower during hot months. Not only will this slow down the growth rate of the grass, but it will also shade the soil and detract pests from moving in on your grass. Don't over-fertilize. Too much fertilizer will encourage the grass to grow more quickly. If you must fertilize your lawn, consider using a small amount of slow-release fertilizer to keep the plants from growing out of control. Check your local lawn and garden center for chemical applications you can spread over the lawn to deter heavy growth. Chemical growth retardants, like Slow Grow, inhibit the growth of grass, while also building up its strength against drought and disease. Tips: warnings. If you're looking to start over, consider planting a variety of slow-growth grass on your lawn. Slow-growth grasses vary from region to region, so study the best type of grass for your specific area before planting.